is News 10.
It's just the outpouring of support from the community. I can't tell you how many people have reached out just to say that they've been following along. And
people across mid-Michigan are mourning the loss of a long-beloved animal at the Potter Park Zoo. Dopsy, an endangered black rhino, had been battling health complications for more than a month. Good evening, I'm Ann Emmerich. David is off tonight. News 10's Bobby Cushing joins us live in studio with more on what Dopsy meant to the zoo and its community.
Yeah, good evening, Ann. Like you said, Dopsy was a beloved member of the community for nearly 15 years. She was an eastern black rhino, of which only about 6,500 are left in the world due to poaching. After talking with zoo workers and community members, it was clear this impacts everyone, but they are trying to make the best of the situation.
yeah, it is. It's an amazing thing to be able to work with the same animal for 14 years. That spans many people's careers here or more. So she's really been a staple here at the zoo for quite a long time.
Pat Fountain is the animal care supervisor at the Potter Park Zoo. He says over Dopsy the rhino's 14 years, zookeepers were able to learn better ways to train and handle her through good times and the bad. But near the end of July, Dopsy started showing signs of pain and odd behavior. That's when the Potter Park Zoo started watching her around the clock.
What they found initially was she did have an obstruction, a blockage in her stomach, which was causing her quite a bit of discomfort. And we worked very hard to clear that blockage. And
on Thursday, Dopsy was put down, surrounded by the ones who loved and cared for her. She was 18 years old, which is young for a black rhino, which can live more than 40 years. Dopsy was also part of a breeding program to save her species. Fountain says after an animal dies, deciding what to do with it is hard.
And one of the best things we can do is take a very science-based approach and find out the best way to help future rhinos and future vets even.
But it's not just the zoo workers who are feeling the loss. Miranda Rigoleau says Dopsy was one of the reasons she kept coming back to the zoo.
Definitely. We've been here previously, and they're one of the focal points of the zoo, and definitely a lot of fun to see. So it's very sad.
But she mentions, like Fountain, the research that comes from Dopsy is important in trying to save an endangered species.
Fountain says they conducted a necropsy, which is a post-mortem examination of an animal, to try and reveal more details about her death. The zoo is also asking for any visitors to share some of their fondest memories they had with the rhino. Ann?
Bobby, thank you. Dopsy's death comes just a day after the zoo announced the passing of a red panda born last month. A live look from our Skycam over